Namaskar. I, Neeraj Peniwal, Principal of Jamna Vidyapith, today love to welcome you here in the Jamna Vidyapith premises. I love to welcome my inspection committee. Please, sir and ma'am, let's take a campus tour. This is a beautiful campus. It is situated in 4C New Loha Mandi Road, Macheda, Jaipur. This is my handball ground. As you can see that the poles are there, and it is basically for the students. We are not only focused on the academic, we are focused on their all-round development and the co-curricular activities as well as of the sports. Please, let's move ahead towards the schools. This is the pavement from which the students enters. As you can see, it is full of greenery. Lot of trees, fruit trees over here. Now we are moving forward. This is my kabaddi ground, and due to the sudden rainfall, the linings and the marking of the ground is not visible right now. Definitely I will show you with the first part. This is my kho-kho ground. As you can see, both the poles over there. My PTI, he did a marking over there, but due to the rain all of this smashed over here. Sorry for that, but I would like to show this ground over here. Please move forward. This is my guard room. Please come forward this side. As we all know that we are living in an anger free zone. This is a guard room. Please come forward. Now let's move towards the basketball court. First I would like to take you around toward the sports facilities which we avail to the students. Please move forward. Voice is recording. Yeah, this is my basketball court, and that is my adventure part for my students. We are building the confidence into the students, and that is the play zone area for the smaller kids, and behind that play zone area we have a volleyball court. Please move forward and show them. So it's a vast campus with beautiful grounds. Now I would like to welcome you towards the academic block. We believe in the dignity of an individual, and we love to develop a global citizen. Please welcome. This is my academic block, the main entrance for the students. I would like to welcome you here. We love to welcome Mr. A.P. Sharma, Principal of Bidla Public School, and Mrs. G.P. Suja, Principal of Vishwa Bharati Public School. We love to welcome in the JVP family. Due to the COVID, we are laying a stress on the sanitizer part also. Please sir and ma'am, welcome here. This is the vision and mission of JVP. In short, we call Jamna Vidyapith JVP. So this is a vision. I would like to show you that this is our vision and this is a mission. Learning is a gift. Yeah, it's true. Please, these are my display boards. Work hard, push yourself, don't give up, concentrate, understand others, improve and try new things. It's all develop the confidence, kindness, self-control, hope, and it makes the person optimist. Now please move towards the admin block. This is towards my admin block. Please come to my reception area. This is my reception area where we love to welcome the parents, visitors, everyone. She is my front office holder. And there again, the education is not a preparation for life. Education is life itself. This is our waiting area where parents and visitors, outsiders wait. Thank you. This is our director's room. And I love to welcome you to the principals in my cabin. Please, sir and ma'am, welcome. This is my room, and where we keep all these documents safely stored over here. Yeah, let's move ahead. This is our counselor's room. Where we love to counsel the students and we love to listen to the students. As you can see that, lot of motivational quotes over there. Yeah, please. Now we are entering towards an academic block. Here it will start. This is the classroom. I would like to show you. This is the 4th B class. As due to the COVID, students are not coming. This is my staff room. My teachers are doing their work over here. And at that place, they used to check their notebooks. Yeah. This is my another classroom, 4th A. I would like to give you a glance inside of the classroom. Yeah, please. Inside also, this beautiful greenery over here. These all are my classrooms. As you can see that, this is 3rd B. As I am moving forward now. Please. This is my another classroom, class 3rd A. It is my e-classroom. Through the projectors and the Pramathan board, teachers used to teach them. We have ventilated and spacious classrooms. Please. These are my display boards. Before taking you to the first story, I would like to show you my sports room. Please welcome to my sports room. We have a facilities for the indoor games also. This is TT table, chess, hurdles. We are building a true spirit among the students. So this is a torch lighting of torch. There's a measuring machine. Victory stand over here. A small span of the basketball. This is my infirmary, a medical room. This is a first aid box we used to keep over here. Attached lead bath is also over there, so that the students, those who are feeling sick, they will not feel uncomfortable. Now please move forward. I would like you to take towards the toiletry facilities. We used to keep a guard for the girls always here. Has to be show her also that she is over. Anita, please be there. So please come. It is about the safety and security of the girls. So we used to keep a female guard over here. These are the facilities. As you can see that. Please focus over there. Anita, please come. Thank you. Upar wala dekh. Please. These are tap for the drinking waters. We have RO facility for the students and water cooler. These are facilities for the boys. Please come inside. The water is running in the tap. As you can see that we are looking after the hygiene and cleanliness of the students. These are the urinals for the boys. Let's take the round to the first story. Please move forward. We are stepping forward toward the first story of the building. Please move forward. These are the child helpline and women helpline numbers we have pasted on the each floor. Please come this side. Now I would like to welcome you to my library, a temple of learning. She is my librarian, Mrs. Manju Jopat. It's a visitor register. So, ma'am, do I need to make an entry over here?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Let's move forward. I would like to show you further things. This is the reference section. It is for the teachers, and I would like to give you the close-up look of that, please. These are the newspapers are lying over there to enhance the knowledge of the teachers, and these are the reference books of the different subjects. I would like to move forward. We have a well-stocked library. These are the dictionaries, encyclopedias we have, novels to develop the reading habit. Please move at that side. Again, it's in a section for the reference books, and these are our magazine and chronicles. Yeah. We have 25 magazines and journals and 5 daily news which we ordered for the students. Now, I would like to show you the procedure. This is the next session registers where we have entered all the books. I would like to show you this. All these books are already entered. We have 2216 books in our library. This is a periodical record register. Yeah. And that is teacher's issue register that we call a loan register. Yeah. And this is our newspaper record register. And this is daily issue register for the students. As you can see that our students are hungry of learning. Thank you. This is a reading section for the students. It's a spacious, ventilated and well-stocked library. Now let's move ahead. For the development of the curriculum, we have this beautiful exam cell. Savita ma'am, she is in charge of exam cell. We used to keep all the records over here. This is our new education policy. This is my exam cells register. We used to keep all the records, circulars, and these are our date sheets. These are the yearly planners of the different classes, and these are the records of the marks, the green slips. We used to keep it over here. And these are the files for the unit test records, for the circulars and for the class 10th records also. Please move forward. These are the vacant classrooms for the class 7th. Right now it is vacant because the students are learning through the online education. These are the display boards, beautiful quotes over there. Great things never come from the comfort zones, and we believe in that. And now I would like to welcome you into my IT lab. Please. We have an occupancy of 25 computers over here. Please give a glance. The lab has an occupancy of the 35 students. Right now we have installed 25 computers over here. Please give a look over there. As you can see, that is a spacious for the students. That is fine. Thank you. Let's move forward. This is a display board. This is class 9th. We always ask our students, push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. This is again our display board. This is class 10th. Please show the tag. Yeah. This is the proposed classroom for the class 11th. I love to will show you that. We have enough space. Please. This is the second floor. Second floor is girls' toilet. I would like to show you this. We have a liquid soap over here, running water. Please. It's well ventilated, clean. We are moving toward the first floor's boys' washroom. This is for the disabled students. Please welcome. This is in a proposed classroom for the class 11th, again one. Please come. Now we are moving towards the second story of our school building. Now we are stepping forward to the second story of our academic block. This is proposed class 11th arts. Now let's move forward towards the physics laboratory. Is Ashish Yadav, Mr. Ashish Yadav is looking after this. Let me show this. As you can see now that we have a well equipped laboratory. I would like to show you further apparatus also. This is This is resonance tube apparatus. No, it's not. Right. As we have beautifully named all these apparatus, names के साथ लीजिए. This is semiconductor diagram. As you can see, that is a traveling microscope, electric bell, solar panel, spring balance, weighing machine, These are the resistors. Vernier caliper, screw gauge. This is kicking wire experiment. Potentiometer. Newton's law of cooling. PNP and PN transistor. Meter gauge. These all are just lying over there. This is an optical bench. This is the front side. Yeah, please. This is my stock register for the physics. Okay. That is portion. Please, I would like to show some more things. Now we are moving towards the biology lab. Please. We love to welcome you in the bio lab. Please. Sonika Rathod. These are the specimens, life cycles. It's a dummy of brain, stethoscope. This is model made by a student. Please. This is human torso. Human skeleton over there, and these are the slides and the specimens microscopes. Please get closer look of these. These are the slides. This is the stock register which we maintain for the bio. As you can see that they have entered please kindly visit to our chemistry lab. She is Meena Yadav. Get the closure looks. एक वाइड ले लीजिए. इनके केमिकल्स और इन पर ज़्यादा ध्यान दें। These are the burners. As you can see that all are running everything. I'd like to take the ground. एक पूरा वाइट लुक दे दो चोगा राइट मसाला का। This is a chart, the naming chart of it. These are general topics, and those are the lab rules. Please take a round of the lab. This side also. Please. This is a chemistry stock register. Please. This is proposed 12th room. It's a vacant one. This is taekwondo and the karate section. We have indoor facilities for the students. And this side we have a yoga room. As you all know that today's scenario meditation is really compulsory, and we are conducting regular classes of yoga. This is my activity room. Focus. It's a multi-purpose hall where we used to conduct the activities. It's beautifully decorated by the students. As you can see, the craft work which is done by the students. And shortly, I will take you to my art room also. Before that, I would like to give you a view from the top. As you can see, that is a beautiful view of our ground. doesn't end here, still I have lot of things to show you. Please come with me. We are moving towards maths lab and the geography lab. It is on the 3rd story. Please come to our geography lab. As you can see, that is beautifully done by my teachers. It's a model of rain gauge, measuring tape, surface tension meter, digital thermometer, and these are the instruments for the survey board, barometer, these are the projector scales that we use in the geography lab. This is a wind vane, maximum minimum thermometer. As you can see, that is shown in the chart also. Types of land. As it is rainy season, so these instruments by which we can measure the rain. Please, now we are moving towards maths lab. It's a glance of a maths lab. These are the mathematical tools. This is a half meter scale, set of pearl marbles, as I can show you this. This is theodolite, the names of all the great mathematicians, especially Indian mathematicians. This is optical square, cross vertical staff, measuring cups, these are the different geometrical shapes. Through that they can find out and know about the areas of the triangle and the rectangle. These are the basic activities using by the geoboard. These are the area of right angle, Pythagoras theorem. And this is a bank dummy checkbook and the pay slips. Through that we can give them the knowledge. This is math stock register. As you can see that, teachers has maintained that. Now I would like to take you towards my junior sections, the pre-primary section. We are moving towards that section. These are my fire instruments. On each floor we have all. This is a fire extinguisher sign. Please. We are stepping down towards our pre-primary section. It is in our basement. As we have already climbed up the 3 stories, now we have to go back down. Then we are moving towards our basement section, where we have our music room, our special counselor's room, we call it special educator. Please. Music needs a calm, composed place. So this place is wonderful one, and we kept our pre-primary section here for the safety part also. Yeah, I would like to take you a trip towards the music room. This is my music room. As you can see that we have a plenty of instruments for the vocal, for Indian as well as for the Western music. Now let's move towards the pre-primary section and class first also. These are the display boards for the pre-primary section. Tiny budding saplings full of colors and the vibrance. As we have entered in this section, we can feel that essence. This is my special educator's room. Through the playway method, these are the pre-primary sections classes. Welcome food. This is class first. There is no homework policy till class second. We love to teach the students through the playway method, as you can see in their classes also. Please. Lovely corridor. This is my junior KG, LKG. Play, learn and grow together, and we follow the same. Come and take a bite of learning. These kids, we can learn many things. We teach them many things. This is my nursery. These are beautiful craft works done by the students along with the teachers. As you can have already seen some glimpses of this artwork, but still we have not reached to the art room. Now we are moving towards art room. As CBSE has already integrated art in the learning. We focus on experiential learning, as you have seen that all these things which are lying over there, we believe in that, conceptual learnings and experiential learning. We have integrated art in our teaching. Let's come towards our home science lab. This is a beautiful home science lab which we made, and you can have a glance. Please move forward. Art is unique in itself. It develops a critical thinking, creative thinking into the child. Made an art room outside the academic block. We have the parking lot at this side. We have parked. This side we have our parking. All the buses are linked there. This is art room paid by the students as well as with the teachers. These beautiful paintings, we can give a close look to them. So JVP. On the pebbles, students has wrote it. These small glass paintings on the window pane at that side. Before entering into it, I would like to show you. This is a beautiful example of the Marna. We are living in Rajasthan and we are in a proper touch of our culture and give the same essence to the students. Welcome to my art room. Please. Close. These are the paintings made by the students. Paper mache work, craft part, canvas paintings. This is a painting with the help of paper mache. These are the beautiful wall hangings made by the teachers and with the students. Lovely paintings. So, I hope you like my campus. I wish all the best for the day, and good day sir, good day ma'am, thank you.